Today, we will not study English from books. Today, we will use English in real life.
We talk about simple moments in life, funny moments, normal moments, things that happen every day.
We can talk about going to the fridge at night, or buying coffee in a busy cafe in London, Paris, or New York. Small things, but very important.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just listen. Listen again. You will understand more every day.
This podcast helps you use English for your daily life.
So get comfortable, sit in your favorite chair, and let's start.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English. I hope you are having a good day, because honestly, my day started terribly.
Oh no, Adam. What happened? Did you wake up late?
I woke up late. I hit the snooze button 5 times.
5 times. That is 30 minutes of bad sleep.
I know. And when I finally opened my eyes, my brain was screaming in my native language, "Late, late, where are my keys? Where are my socks?"
That sounds stressful.
It was. I was running around the house like a chicken without a head. I didn't speak English. I didn't speak anything. I just panicked.
This is a very common problem, Adam. The morning panic.
And the worst part? Because I started the day with stress, the whole day felt heavy. I felt like I was fighting the day.
You know why that happened?
Why?
Because you didn't set the tone. You let the day control you. You didn't control the day.
Exactly. So, Sarah, please help me and help our listeners. How do we fix this?
We need a routine, a mental routine, and we're going to do it in English.
I like the sound of that. But remember, Sarah, in the morning, my IQ is very low.
Don't worry, this is simple. We are going to cover the first 5 minutes, from the moment you open your eyes to the moment you smell your coffee.
Perfect. 5 minutes. I can do that.
And for everyone listening, we want you to participate. This is not a lecture, this is a practice session.
Yes, when we give you a sentence, say it with us, loud and proud.
So, Adam, let's go back in time. Let's go back to 7 a.m. this morning.
Okay, I am back in bed. It is dark. It is warm. The pillow is soft.
Ring, ring. The alarm goes off.
My hand wants to hit snooze. My hand wants to destroy the phone.
Stop. Don't touch the phone. Not yet.
Okay, hand is down, eyes are open.
This is the most important second, the first thought. Usually people think, oh no, I have to work, or I am so tired.
Yes, negative thoughts.
We need a neutral, grounding thought. Sentence number 1.
What is it?
It is a new day.
It is a new day. It sounds almost too simple, Sarah.
It is simple, but think about the meaning. New. It means fresh. It means yesterday's mistakes, like your chaos morning, are gone.
I see. It's like restarting a computer.
Exactly. You don't continue the old session, you start a new one.
Okay, let me try it. I'm lying in bed. I take a breath. It is a new day.
How does that feel?
It feels calm. It's just a fact. I'm not happy. I'm not sad. I'm just here.
Now you, friends, say it. Feel the reset.
It is a new day.
Good. Now step 2. We accepted the day, but the body is still asleep.
Yes, my body is basically dead. My back hurts. My neck is stiff.
Do not reach for Instagram. Do not check WhatsApp.
That's a hard habit to break, Sarah. I want to see if anyone messaged me.
They can wait 5 minutes. Focus on yourself first. You need to connect your mind to your body.
How?
Stretch.
Stretch?
Yes, in bed. Lift your arms above your head, point your toes, make your body long.
Oh, that feels good. I can hear my bones cracking. Crack, crack.
That's the sound of waking up. While you stretch, I want you to say sentence number 2.
What is it?
I am waking up.
I am waking up.
Notice the grammar. We use the continuous tense, am waking up. Why?
Because I'm doing it right now, right?
Yes, it helps you be present. You are feeling your muscles. You are telling your brain, hello brain, we are moving now.
It's better than thinking, my back hurts.
Exactly. It's an active thought.
Okay, let's practice it. I'm stretching my arms. I am waking up.
Your turn, listeners. Stretch and speak.
I am waking up.
Great. Now comes the battle of the blanket.
The hardest battle in history.
The bed is warm, the room is cold. Physics is against you.
This is the moment I usually fail. I say, just 5 more minutes, and then I sleep for an hour.
We need to stop the negotiation.
Negotiation?
Yes, when you talk to yourself, should I get up or should I sleep? Do not negotiate. Be a commander.
Like a soldier?
Yes, you need a command. Sit on the edge of the bed, put your feet on the floor. Feel the cold floor.
Okay, feet are on the floor. It is cold.
Good. The cold wakes you up. Now say sentence number 3.
Time to get up.
Time to get up.
Can I say, I have to get up?
Have to sounds like a burden, like a heavy job. Time to get up is just a fact. It's time. Let's go.
It feels firm. No arguments.
Exactly. Say it with authority.
Time to get up.
Perfect. Now you try it. Give yourself the order.
Time to get up.
And stand up immediately. Don't wait.
Okay, I'm up. I'm standing. The gravity is heavy, but I'm standing.
Step 4. The zombie walk.
I walk to the bathroom. I shuffle my feet.
You look in the mirror. What do you see?
I see a disaster. Messy hair, sleepy eyes. I look like a bear who lost a fight.
Don't criticize yourself. Don't say, I look ugly or I look tired.
But I do look tired.
Acknowledge the feeling, but focus on the solution. What does your body crave right now?
Crave? That means really want, right?
Yes. What do you need?
I need hydration or caffeine.
Exactly. So sentence number 5 is about your need.
I need some coffee.
Or, I need some water.
Which one is better?
Water is healthier. Coffee is tastier.
I'll stick with coffee. I need some coffee.
This sentence is powerful because it gives you a mission. You are not just standing in the bathroom, you have a destination, the kitchen.
It motivates me to move. I want that reward.
Say it to the mirror. Identify your fuel.
I need some coffee.
Okay, you are moving. You wash your face. You walk to the kitchen.
I find the coffee machine. I press the button. The machine makes that beautiful noise. Whirr, drip, drip, drip.
The smell fills the kitchen. This is the first quiet moment of the day.
Usually, this is when the stress starts. My brain starts listing problems. The traffic, the boss, the money.
No, no, no. Protect this moment. This is your snack English moment.
How do I protect it?
Set an intention. Decide how you want the day to be.
But I can't control the traffic.
You can't control the traffic, but you can control your reaction. Sentence number 5. Today is a fresh start. Or, today will be a good day.
I like fresh start. It reminds me of step 1, new day.
Yes, it closes the circle. You started with new day, you end the routine with fresh start.
It makes me feel ready. Even if I have problems, I feel capable.
That's the goal, confidence.
Let's try it. Smell the coffee, close your eyes. Today is a fresh start.
There, you did it.
That was detailed, but it was fast.
It takes less than 5 minutes in real life, but the impact lasts for 16 hours.
You know, Sarah, the most important thing here is that we did it in English.
Yes. Why is that important, Adam?
Because usually I wait until 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. to speak English. I wait for work.
And by then, your brain is already tired.
Exactly. But if I start at 7 a.m.,
English becomes your operating system. It's not just an app you open sometimes, it's the system you live in.
that's deep. English as an operating system.
So, let's do a final review, a rapid drill. Are you ready?
I'm ready. No jokes this time. Just focus.
Alarm rings. Eyes open.
It is a new day.
Stretch your arms. Feel the muscles.
I am waking up.
Feet on the cold floor. Give the order.
Time to get up.
In the bathroom, what do you need?
I need some coffee.
With the coffee, set the mood.
Today is a fresh start.
Perfect.
Friends, we have a challenge for you. A real challenge.
Tomorrow morning when you wake up,
Don't check your phone. Don't speak your native language.
try to do this routine, even if you only remember one sentence.
If you only remember, time to get up, that is a win.
Write a note, put it on your phone tonight. Use English.
And come back to this video and tell us, did it work? Did you feel different?
We really want to know.
Sarah, I feel much better now. My chaos morning is forgotten.
Good. You hit the reset button.
I did. Now I am actually going to get another coffee.
You and your coffee.
It is my fuel.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Tomorrow, we'll use English in a new, real situation. Watch the next episode.